learning Chinese language, learning a word every day. Today, we are learning about 凑合. First, let's watch an animation about the word 凑合.
这家小店的饭菜味道一般，不过也能凑合吃。
凑合是要把饭菜混合在一起吃吗？
不是这个意思啦，凑合在这里是勉强接受、将就一下的意思。
原来是这样，我理解错了。
After arriving home,
我的雨伞坏了，先凑合着用几天吧。
你又说凑合了，这次是把东西拼接起来吗？
当然不是了，还是勉强使用的意思。
我发现了，凑合和之前学的将就意思很像。
没错，日常里他们经常可以互换使用。
那这件旧沙发看着不美观，也能凑合做吧？
没问题，能用就行，不用太挑剔。
In the animation just now, the listener misunderstood the word 凑合 at first. To use this word correctly, let's learn its common usages today before learning the usage. Let's read it 3 times together. 凑合. The Chinese word 凑合 generally means to make do with something, put up with things that are not ideal. It is very commonly used in daily conversations. Now let's learn different usage scenarios. First scenario, 凑合吃一点. Let's read it 3 times together. 凑合吃一点, 凑合吃一点, 凑合吃一点. 凑合吃一点 means just make do with some food. We use it when the food is not delicious or simple. The second scenario, 凑合着用. Let's read it 3 times together. 凑合着用, 凑合着用, 凑合着用. 凑合着用 means make do with it. It is used for old, broken, or unsatisfactory items that we still keep using. Scenario 3, 还算凑合. Read with me 3 times. 还算凑合, 还算凑合, 还算凑合. The meaning of 还算凑合 is it's just okay, not bad. We use this phrase to give a neutral comment on things. Scenario 4, 两个人凑合在一起. Let's read it 3 times together. 两个人凑合在一起. 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 两个人凑合在一起 means 2 people stay or live together, even if things are not perfect. Scenario 5, 不想凑合. Read it 3 times with me. 不想凑合, 不想凑合, 不想凑合. The meaning of 不想凑合 is I don't want to make do with it. It means someone wants better choices and refuses to accept unsatisfactory things. We also need to know that 凑合 is very close to 将就 in meaning, and you can use most of their sentences interchangeably in daily life. Okay, that's all about the usage of the Chinese word 凑合. Here's a suggestion for you. When learning Chinese, you can try to give yourself an authentic Chinese name. In this way, when interacting with Chinese people in the future, they will be more likely to remember you and leave a better impression on them. If you want to choose a Chinese name, you can watch my other videos or visit directly www.chinesename.me. Choose a genuine and meaningful Chinese name for yourself. All right, that's all for today's study. Goodbye.